almost would not be able to get around here, and we have to go back upstream the whole way.
Okay, here's the pedestrian bridge that normally when you go under it, you have about 8 feet of clearance between the water and the bridge. Well, obviously that's not the case today. Completely flooded, log jammed, so we can't go under the bridge. We're playing bumper boats.
Professional kayakers.
So we will kayak around. Must suck to have to use a paddle. We put it into overdrive here. Alright. Now let's see if we can kayak up on the bridge. Alright.
Alright, what now?
The old railroad trestles. This railroad used to run from Sanford to Lake Okeechobee. Alright, let's kayak up on the bridge.